welcome to Chicmas day 2. Hold on, let me get I have my coffee, and I also have an ube pandesal. You know what, let's just kind of chill here for a second. Let me get a coaster. Let's grab a coaster. Juicy is, where is she? She's right there. I'm just gonna have my coffee and my ube pandesal, which is very toasted. But that's normally how I love my bread. I love my breads like really, really toasted.
Find dock. Please place me on the dock. Error number 23.
She got stuck. We need to fix her. But anyway, we need to fix the coffee bar today because I thought I would have time this morning, but editing did take me a little bit longer. I should have allotted a little bit more time. So when we come back home later this evening, we will definitely have to work on the coffee bar area. But I wanted to do like a little taste test because remember yesterday I purchased the toasted marshmallow syrup, and we are going to try it today. It does smell really good. Like I took a whiff of it once I uncapped the bottle, and it smells good. Like it smells like a marshmallow but with like coconut. It has like a warm type of scent to it, if that makes any sense. But in here is sort of like an espresso, so it's really strong. 1/4 cup of almond milk, 1 tablespoon of the toasted marshmallow syrup. So cheers, good morning. Let's try the coffee. Oh, this is definitely giving me coconut, vanilla, marshmallow vibes. So if you enjoy the coconut flavor, I think you'll enjoy this syrup, but I personally like it. Let's see how I feel about it at the end of the 25 days, because there are some syrups where I'm just like, you know what, I need to switch it out today. I'm sick of this flavor. There was one from the other month, from October. I think it was the pumpkin spice syrup. That one, oh my gosh, I just never got sick of that. I wanted to buy another one, but unfortunately I can't find it now because it's, you know, it's a seasonal thing. Anyway, I have to finish uploading my video, get ready, and we're heading out for the day. Okay, we are finally ready to go for the day. And today, picking up Abby, we're heading to our favorite place, Six Flags Magic Mountain, but that's for a different vlog on the second channel. Let me just share with you really quickly because I made Abby one of these. Actually, she has the best one. This is one of the mug toppers with Hello Kitty. And you know what? We gotta roll out because it's time to go. We are here at Abby's. She's probably gonna kill me because I'm late. Oh wait, hold on, let me text her. Bye. Hi! See that? She's gonna kill me because I'm late. Get in. I'm just kidding, let's go. Wait, first I wanted to give this to you. Oh, it turned out cute. You got the best one.
It looks squishy.
No, don't squish it.
You said don't
squish it. You're gonna ruin it.
Did you see the weather app?
Why?
It's gonna be a little hot for a bit.
Good. At least it's not windy. Oh, I'm sure you guys remember Abby.
Hi.
So
I didn't know you were recording already.
Yeah, what? It's Chicmas.
Oh yeah, it's Chicmas.
Yes. Okay, so we're gonna go to Six Flags.
Yes, ma'am. It's normal Scotchmallows.
Look at Abby hooking up the chocolate.
These are dark maple. Dark walnut squares. So it's a caramel with walnuts, and then it's dipped on the bottom with dark chocolate. And then this is a Scotch Kiss, the one I was talking about. It's a marshmallow covered in caramel.
You know what? She works at where do you
work at C's Candies.
That's why she's like so informative.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, can I have the
Scotchmallow?
The marshmallow one.
The marshmallow. Here you go.
Wow, Abby, thank you. So the music's a little bit loud, but we are at BB.Q Chicken in Northridge. Jonathan and I ate here the other week and their food's really good. So it's Korean food. We have the kimchi fried rice. Oh my gosh, this is so good. I think we kind of over-ordered, but that's okay. See, this is what I mean, we over-ordered. This is a secret spicy chicken, and then this one is the honey garlic wings. Oh, it is the next day. Good morning. I know we didn't get to do tea time last night. Abby ended up just sleeping over, so she's still here. She's asleep. We were just chatting, and then I don't know what happened. I just knocked out last night. We are doing tea time this morning, and I'm gonna just share with you a couple of things as well. Yesterday was amazing at Six Flags because there were hardly any people. Wait times were like 5 minutes, so we really got to take our time, and there was just like no wait. The weather was beautiful too. It was warm. Once the sun was beginning to set, it was a little bit chilly, but overall it was a really great day at Six Flags. We were able to find this little teapot plate, which my mom said she picked up from her trip to Paris, and it's really to place your tea bags. So we're going to be placing our tea steeper over here. Let's open our 24 Reasons to Smile tea advent calendar, and day number 2 is right up here. She's right up here surfing. Get the first look at it, and it says start each day with a full mug and a grateful heart. Oh, this is actually perfect, you know, for today since we are starting the day with tea. Normally we always start the day with coffee, and this is, it says loose leaf flavored black and green tea, Singapore breakfast. How ironic, right? Ooh, it can smell like caramel. So do you guys normally start your day with tea or coffee? All right, perfect. Singapore breakfast. Reminiscent of kaya toast, this mix of Perth green tea, coconut, and pandan. Pandan? Wow. Sings with richly sweet, toasty, and coconutty flavors. This brew is the ultimate ode to Singapore's beloved national breakfast. Pandan is described, like if you Google it, described as a grassy vanilla with a hint of coconut. Pandan leaves behind it a fine, subtle aroma that is so representative of Asian cuisine and aromatics. The aroma is reminiscent of roasted tea leaves, milky oolong, almond cream, and basmati rice. That is that. Now let's open our XO marshmallow advent calendar, day number 2. Day number 2 is right here. So the hint, no one stacks up to you. Okay, I'm not gonna look at what it is, but no one stacks up to you. Let's see. Coffee. Let's try this already before we taste the flavor of the tea. I'm gonna say this is coffee. This has got to be coffee. I'm so wrong. It's maple pancake. So this is the perfect pair. Breakfast blend tea, and then we have maple pancakes. I'm terrible at describing you know, what things taste like. Let's try Singapore breakfast. Oh, that's smooth. I like how you can taste the coconut flavor. I feel like we're having breakfast together, but we're having tea and marshmallows. Let's eat the rest of our marshmallow. Can you believe that we don't have a Christmas ornament from Six Flags? I mean, you guys know how much I love the park, how much, you know, we're always there. We have merch, but not a Christmas ornament. And we saw this one. And I think it's going to be a great addition to the tree. So it looks like a snow globe. And it says holiday in the park. Of course, you have the trees, and then you have the coasters in the background, right? So this is going to be a nice addition. Only fair that Six Flags is also represented on the Christmas tree. Let's go ahead and place the new ornament right here. Right next to Hello Kitty. Oh, my mom just told me something very interesting. Hold on, let me get a napkin. She said that she bought this in the city where the famous painter Monet was born. I guess that was his hometown. So she was telling me she doesn't know why she only bought one, because she said that she bought two. She gave one to her coworker and then she brought one, you know, for the house. But I think that's so interesting, right? From across the world. I guess you could say it's sentimental because of the place where she purchased it. I'm gonna go ahead and end Chicmas day 2 here. Even though we didn't get to have tea time yesterday, I think it worked out perfectly because the marshmallow and the blend of tea was perfect for breakfast. Everything worked out, but just want to thank you so much for hanging out with us. Let me know your favorite candy or your favorite chocolate at Cease Candy, so you know we can let Abby know, because let me tell you, she is so knowledgeable with the chocolates. Like, she knows, she can like describe everything and like give you the flavor, the texture, and all that. Anyway, Chickies, thank you so much for hanging out today. If you enjoyed hanging out and enjoyed Chicmas day 2, please make sure you give it a like, subscribe if you have not already. Would love for you to be a part of the Chickie crew. Thank you, Chickies, so much for watching. Stay safe and healthy, and I will see you tomorrow for Chicmas day 3.